It doesn't hurt anything. And why I say that is because, and this is huge, this is really the piece de resistance, is when you get to the end of the month, let's say you have 150 open jobs. You get to the end of the month. Most of the customers we deploy on Business Central that are starting using jobs, I say, how do you book revenue today? How do you track all this job WIP? They say, I have a huge spreadsheet. At the end of the month, I have to get all these totals. I have to update the spreadsheet. It takes me 2 days. It takes me a week. We have to all get together. We have to talk to each other. We have to make decisions. We have to figure this out. And it takes a long time. In Business Central, you go into the Job WIP page. It pulls up all your jobs. You hit a button called Calculate WIP. It evaluates all the jobs, looks at the WIP method, looks at all of your actual costs, all of your expected costs and budgets and billings, and it calculates all these values for you.
Wow.
You have an opportunity to review them for reasonableness, right? And see the entries that it made. If you like it, you hit a post WIP button.
That's it.
And you're done.